Hello everyone. It is Tuesday, June 20th. The time is 16:11 or 16:10 New York local time. And before you click off this video, just remember your indicator bullshit, your supply demand doesn't work. Okay. So with that being said, um, I am up a little over 6.5K on the Apex account today. I'm going to review the PM session trades that I took. Wasn't such a great PM session. So, as you all know, I trade the ICT silver bullet model, or I call it just the ICT silver model. Coming into the setup hour, I got a little bit ambitious. I'll tell you what I was seeing. It looked to me like basically right here, where I'm hovering my cursor, that price had already converged on an inefficiency and then was going to head back down to liquidity, back down at like 159. So I wanted to get in as fast as possible. So I got in like 2 minutes within the setup time on this, and with one contract. And of course, price moved against me. I drew down, and then it moved back in my favor and took out this short-term liquidity. And then I was still expecting it to break down, but it did not break down. Instead, we came back up, and as you can see, I ended up highlighting it later. The NQ ended up converging on this volume imbalance that I'm highlighting. So instead of taking a loss on the trade, once I saw that there was this volume imbalance that the trading algorithms were clearly converging on, I decided I wasn't going to scale in or anything, take on more risk, but I was just going to let the trade run against me quite a bit. I mean, I let it run against me a lot because once I saw that there was this volume imbalance that price was the trading algorithms were converging on, I pretty much knew at that point that it was going to come back. And so it did end up coming back, and I made 4-point profit on it, which is basically a scratch. So, yeah, not my best trading ever, but not the worst either. So, wasn't a loss. I also traded the YM. This was a little bit better. Go down to a 3-minute. Let me see here. Where did I see the inefficiency? So, inefficiency on the YM, again, I came in right at the start of the setup hour. It immediately drew up against me, and I was waiting, and I wanted the YM to break down to, I wanted it to break all the way down to 34,258 or just 258, down below these lows that I'm highlighting in the cursor. But after like an hour of waiting, and price was not doing what I wanted it to do, I ended up just covering at 366. So not a loss. It was a 25-point win, but I wasn't, super pleased with it. I also traded my own personal TradeStation account. I don't have much money in it. There you can see my AIM session. I trade the micro Russell because it's all I can trade. I ended up taking a very similar trade on the micro Russell. I got in very early. I was expecting it to break back down into like 75. Instead, we drew up to a fair value gap here later in the day. So like at 1540, which is to me, that wouldn't be a trade that I'd want to take because it's well outside of the silver bullet setup time frame. So the trading algorithms on the micro Russell were converging on this inefficiency at around 1888, and then ended up seeking liquidity basically after market when I already had to be, due to intraday margins, I already had to be closed. So pretty mixed bag in the PM session. I ended up $36 on my cash account today. I ended up 6K on my Apex evaluation account, and I hit on my Topstep 150K account, which I'm not showing here. I think I hit the profit limit for the day. I think I actually went over it in the AM session, so that means I'll have to trade a day longer before I get funded again. So yeah, unfortunately, I went over the profit limit, which was $3,600 for a day on my Topstep account. So almost halfway there on the Apex account. I think I'm pretty near full drawdown. Yeah, I'm at $7,100 of drawdown on this account. So I'm near my equity high. I'm $400 off my equity high here. I've got 11K to go. Made 6K of it today. So maybe I can get funded with Apex by next week, and then also looking at about the same time frame uh, on Topstep. So, anyways, by far the best trades were taken. Just to review, if you didn't watch my AM video, by far my best trades were taken on the AM session. So you can see that I shorted the NQ basically right 13 minutes before the setup time. 13 minutes before the setup time. I think I highlighted that inefficiency on a Tradingview idea and YouTube video. Anyways, if you are interested in learning more about the ICT silver model setup, it is all over my channel. If you're tired of using bullshit indicators that don't work, I highly recommend that you come and learn the model that I'm using, that Michael Huddleston created. I'm going to give him all the credit because it is his model. And I will be back. I've got a lot of video topics. I've got over a dozen video topics that I want to talk about. If you are interested in trading an evaluation account, I have the links in the description. They're all over my YouTube channel, so please make sure to check that out. I'm trading myself an Apex evaluation account, so you wouldn't be doing anything that I'm not doing myself. With that being said, I will bid you adieu. If you want to learn more about the ICT silver model setup, it is all over my YouTube. I'll probably make another video explaining it very soon. Got a whole bunch of topics that I want to make videos on as well. So we'll talk to you then. Bye.